Today's National Children's Day, and this is something that the National Child Month Committee is very excited about. For 2020, our plans that we had to shift it, but we are so grateful that we're still able to celebrate our children. We start out today with our picnic party and talent concert. Well, you would have known already, those of you who have entered, that we have had this talent concert going on. And guess what? Today is our voting day. We start our voting today, May 15th through to the 22nd. We're asking you to check on our Facebook page and see, because you are going to realize that many of your friends are involved, and we are asking you to like them. Our voting and the competition will be looking at the amount of likes that you get. So those of you who entered, get all your friends together and ensure that you will come out on top, because the prizes are fabulous and you are going to love them. Today is a day we celebrate our children the way they celebrated us on Mother's Day, just on Sunday, and also the way they will celebrate fathers on Father's Day, and how they celebrate teachers on Teachers' Day. In other words, it's going to be a day where we really let them feel loved, appreciated, accepted, and just feel great about themselves. We're not talking about money here. You don't have to buy if you can't buy, but we can give them hugs. We can tell them how great they are. We can remind them how happy we are to have them in our lives. We can tell them all the nice things we know about them. We are going to celebrate them and let them feel really good about themselves. We thank all those who are working along with us. Today is going to be a fabulous day. It is the day we celebrate our children. Come on, Jamaicans, let's give it up for our children.
Children's Day is a day celebrated annually in the honor of children. Children's Day is important to me because it motivates me to want to be better and do better in a society where children can be free to play and live.
Children's Day is important also because while children receive a lot of leisure time, they also feel appreciated, and it raises awareness of child protection and safety. And remember to stay home and stay safe.
Children's Day mean to me children be free and happy.
Children's Day is a day dedicated to all our precious sons and daughters, to let them know that they are appreciated.
What Children's Day mean to me is celebrating the honor of children and the ones that have gone through so much, let them know that they have the right to speak of what's happening in their everyday life. Children's Day is a day when children should be free from abuse.
Children's Day is a very special day dedicated to children. It is important as it helps us to recognize that we are valuable assets to society. Therefore, it is also important to treat us with the love and respect that we need, and not to violate our rights as children. Please stop the violence against children, for we are the future.
Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all the children.